Okay guys, so this is just a little program to show you how to get user input. I tried to run it before, but I had some errors and I sort of screwed up just a couple of times. So I've decided to leave it as is and just talk you through it. So firstly, you want to create an array. I used fname for first name. First name, if we were to enter this, just remember that the first word in a variable always starts with a lowercase, but every word after that starts with an uppercase. That's why name has a capital N. And printf, int age, just leave that blank for now because we're going to get user input for it. Now printf here is asking us a question, so we can see something that's going on. Now scanf, it's asking us to insert something. Here we can see that it's a string that it wants us to insert, so which will then be assigned to the fname. Then another question, this time we're expecting a digit, so an integer, and you use the ampersand sign here along with floats as a way to what was it? Sorry, I'm just a bit out of it at the moment. As a way to, it's just used in the case for scanfs. It's used in anything that isn't an array. That probably is the best way to explain it. And then here we've got the final one that tells us a little statement. Now, I'm going to run this. And as you can see, it's got what is your name? Chris. What is your age? 87. Sorry, I just ran that one out. Chris, 87. There we go. 87 is very old, Chris, so that's actually true. Now, what you might have noticed here is we'll bring up this program again. We'll bring it down a bit. Now, when we first enter the input, we want to enter Chris, but what we've done before, the program just runs through and returns 0. But at this point, it shows us what the program's actually doing. We're running the main method, which is, well, the main class and all that, and it goes down. We've got line by line, it goes down, and when it gets to scanf, it's telling us to wait here. We need you to help out and provide some instructions. So when we hit enter there, we are passed on to the next line, and then it's waiting again for another digit, for a digit. Then we enter a number, and then it will print out our final line, and then it will return 0. So that's saying that the program ran without hitch. Now we're going to run this again just because I want to show you something. Now if we were to accidentally enter ASD, it would return an error. Now I don't know what this error actually is, but that is not like it doesn't register as an error. It's just saying that it was an improper number. Generally programs would crash in Java if you entered something like this. So I'll let you guys go. Experiment around with this scanf and printf. You can do lots of stuff with it, and I'll see you guys next time.